To purchase Dividend stocks on Moomoo, start by opening the Moomoo app and logging into your account. Click on the Markets or Code option to view all available stocks. From this list, you will need to identify which stocks or dividend stocks. To do this, select a stock and open its details page. Click on the Summary option at the top and scroll down to find the Dividend section, if this section exists. The stock is a dividend stock. Once you have identified a dividend stock, return to its page and click on the Trade button, which will give you the option to buy or sell. Select Buy. Choose your order type and enter the amount you wish to purchase. After clicking the Buy button, enter your trading password to complete the purchase. This process is quick and easy, allowing you to easily buy dividend stocks on Moomoo.